We all know how difficult it is sometimes to acquire DJI parts. So we've been busy in the background for the last 2 to 3 months building something that is really exciting. And today is the day we get to introduce what we've been busy with to you guys. Exciting stuff, we're excited. We are going to be launching this tomorrow. Welcome to DJIparts.co.za. This has been a fun little project we've been working on in the background, building this, taking photographs of all the parts, uploading them. So it's been loads of work, loads of fun, but we are finally happy to introduce you to DJIparts.co.za. So over the years, being in the drone business, we obviously accumulated a hell of a lot of pre-owned parts, pre-owned drones, pre-owned parts, and of course we do new parts. So we can have a quick brief walk around, show you guys what's here. We're not finished with the site. The site will probably be done by the end of business tomorrow, 1st of Feb 2023, but I'll link the site in the description below. As you can see here, Air2S, we have new arms, front covers, mid frames, we've got some pre-owned vision sensors, pre-owned camera housing, ESC boards, top covers, all sorts. We've got loads of stuff. Mavic Pro, new parts, new arms, new fans, and of course pre-owned. So we've got pre-owned core boards, gimbals, sensors, front access shafts. Guys, all these parts have been tested, so we know that they all function. Let's have a look at Mavic Mini 2, one of our most common repairs. So new mid frames, new top shells, new ESC boards, and then of course loads of pre-owned. Now guys, being pre-owned, it might have a mark or two, but the part itself is fully functional. And of course it's going to save you a little bit of money if you're on a tight budget and can't always afford new parts. Well, then we present you with pre-owned parts. So we got some new Phantom 3 motors, got new ESC boards, which are really difficult to find, and we've got pre-owned stuff as well. So guys, the site will always be work in progress. We'll always be uploading. We've got tons of Inspire 1 parts as well that came off a fully functioning drone, and that's the other thing, all these pre-owned parts came off fully functional drones, so we know the parts are good. So guys, we hope this excites you as much as it excites us, and we hope you guys will support the website. There is a flat rate of 150 Rand courier nationwide, so we can get your parts to you, doesn't matter where you are, for 150 Rand. All you'll do is just check out online, and automatically the 150 Rand courier fee will be added. Check out, pay online, and we will send your parts off to you. So exciting stuff, exciting. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Please don't forget, give us a like, drop us a comment, and of course subscribe. It keeps the channel going. And if there's anything you guys don't find that you are looking for, please feel free to get in contact with us. I will list all the details in the description below, and we'll help you as best as we can. Until the next one, catch you guys later.
Thank you.